Have you ever wondered if there's anyone today who could rival the genius of Albert Einstein? In a world so advanced technologically, is there still room for revolutionary minds that challenge the laws of the universe? Welcome. You're watching Quark Orbit. In this video, we'll dive into the greatest minds of modern science, those shaping the future and who might just be the Einsteins of our time. Get ready for a fascinating journey through human knowledge. Before we embark on this exploration of brilliant minds, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow and reach more people. And make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss any content like this. Share this video with that friend who loves these kinds of topics. Einstein's legacy and the search for new geniuses. Albert Einstein is a name that needs no introduction. He revolutionized physics with his theory of relativity, challenging fundamental concepts about time, space, and gravity. His famous equation, E equals mc squared, completely transformed our understanding of energy and matter. Additionally, he won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 for explaining the photoelectric effect, one of the cornerstones of quantum mechanics. Einstein didn't just transform science, he became a cultural icon. His image is synonymous with genius, and his ideas continue to influence research to this day. But do we have anyone today capable of causing a similar revolution? Modern science is more collaborative than ever, yet there are still individuals whose brilliance stands out. Speaking of modern geniuses, let's start with a name you've probably heard before: Stephen Hawking, the master of black holes. Stephen Hawking was one of the most influential theoretical physicists of the 20th and 21st centuries. He dedicated his life to uncovering the mysteries of the cosmos, even while battling a degenerative disease that limited his movement and speech. His most notable contribution was the discovery of Hawking radiation, a phenomenon that combines quantum mechanics with gravity to explain how black holes can emit particles and eventually evaporate. Hawking also helped popularize science with his book, A Brief History of Time, which sold millions of copies worldwide. He managed to translate complex cosmological concepts into language accessible to the general public. Hawking is remembered not only for his scientific contributions, but also for his unwavering determination to keep working despite immense challenges. His legacy continues to inspire scientists and ordinary people alike. But Hawking wasn't the only one to redefine our understanding of the universe. Let's now meet a mathematical genius behind string theory: Edward Witten, the guardian of mathematical physics. Edward Witten is widely regarded as the greatest living mathematical physicist. He's a central figure in string theory, an area that seeks to unify the fundamental forces of nature into a single theoretical framework. His contributions are so profound that he was awarded the Fields Medal, a rare achievement for a physicist. Witten helped develop concepts like M-theory, an extension of string theory that could hold the key to understanding quantum gravity. His ideas are so complex that even other physicists struggle to keep up with him. Witten's brilliance lies in how he connects pure mathematics with fundamental problems in physics. His work continues to inspire scientists around the world. But don't think modern geniuses are limited to theoretical physics. Let's now explore another field where brilliant minds are transforming our understanding. Terence Tao, the Mozart of mathematics. Known as the Mozart of mathematics, Terence Tao is a true prodigy. He began studying calculus at age 7 and earned his PhD by 20. Today, Tao is one of the most respected mathematicians in the world, with contributions spanning areas like harmonic analysis, number theory, and partial differential equations. His work goes beyond abstract math. It has practical applications in fields such as cryptography, artificial intelligence, and big data analysis. Tao is admired for his ability to connect different areas of mathematics in innovative ways. Moreover, he's known for his humility and willingness to mentor other mathematicians. Many consider Tao a perfect example of how genius can be paired with approachability. And what about young minds already shaping the future? Stay tuned, we'll introduce you to one of today's most promising scientists. But before we continue, are you enjoying this video? Don't forget to leave a like. It helps us bring even more amazing content your way. It's quick and makes all the difference. Sabrina Gonzalez Pasterski, the next Einstein? Sabrina Gonzalez Pasterski is a young Cuban-American theoretical physicist, often referred to as the next Einstein. She is a living example of how genius can emerge at an early age and flourish across multiple fields. From a young age, she demonstrated extraordinary talent and unwavering determination. At just 14, while most teenagers were focused on high school, Sabrina was busy building her own airplane in her garage in Chicago. But who is this young scientist who has been compared to Einstein? Let's dive into her fascinating journey. The journey of a young genius. Sabrina's interest in aviation began at the age of 9 when she decided to learn how to fly. A few years later, she embarked on the ambitious project of building a Zenith Zodiac 601 XL single-engine airplane. With the support of her father, an electrical engineer and pilot, she modified parts from 3 different engines to create a more efficient motor, which was approved by the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, and named the Sabrina O200A. During the construction process, Sabrina made over 300 modifications to the airplane's structure to ensure safety and efficiency. Despite the challenges, she never missed a day of school and used the internet as a critical tool to learn from other builders and avoid common mistakes. Her determination caught the attention of not only the scientific community, but also the general public. Check out a clip from her interview on Chicago Tonight, where she talks about her passion for aviation and the process of building her airplane.
So at age 13, Sabrina began a new project.
January of this year, out of the blue, here comes a DVD in the mail with a show of her building her airplane.
I've always wanted to go to MIT, and the idea was that my parents could fly to meet me when I was at MIT, so that's what this is for. And then also, my mom, she isn't as big a fan as in flying in small aircraft, but she promised that she'd fly an aircraft either.
And if you think that's impressive, watch the emotional moment when her airplane finally takes flight.
I was not scared to fly to Quebec. It was something I had waited more than 3 years to do. I could not be afraid of my own creation. It is funny to think how I actually flew an airplane I built, the most deadly light sport aircraft ever designed, on my first US solo. Looking back at the past 5 years, I've learned how to build an airplane, but I find myself asking, what will I do next?
But Sabrina didn't stop there. Her ultimate goal has always been to design spacecraft capable of taking humans to Mars. To achieve this, she decided she needed to learn how to pilot and build airplanes before advancing to even more ambitious projects. Today, as a theoretical physicist with degrees from MIT and research experience at Harvard, Sabrina works in advanced areas of quantum physics and celestial holography. Her story inspires young scientists worldwide, especially women interested in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Sabrina is living proof that with passion, determination, and curiosity, extraordinary achievements are possible. But can we truly compare these modern geniuses to Einstein? Let's explore this question now. Comparing modern geniuses to Einstein lived in an era when revolutionary discoveries could be made individually or in small groups. Today, however, science is highly collaborative and relies on large teams and advanced technologies. This makes it harder to identify individuals whose impact matches that of Einstein. Nevertheless, this does not diminish the contributions of modern geniuses. They continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge in fields like quantum physics, cosmology, and applied mathematics. Each of these scientists, Hawking, Witten, Tao, and Sabrina, has brought something unique to their respective fields. While we live in a different era, their contributions show that there is still room for individual brilliance in advancing science. Now that we've explored these brilliant minds, what will their legacy be for the future? The future of genius. Modern geniuses may not have the same immediate cultural impact as Einstein did, but their contributions are equally important in shaping our understanding of the universe. Stephen Hawking unveiled secrets about black holes. Edward Witten provided tools for unifying fundamental forces. Terence Tao continues solving seemingly impossible mathematical problems, and Sabrina Gonzalez Pasterski is just beginning her brilliant journey. What about you? Who do you think could be considered the next Einstein? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like. It really helps our channel continue bringing fascinating content like this. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos and share this with your friends who love science. Oh, and all sources used in this video are listed in the description. Check them out for more information.